Hi, I'm Kimberly Pimentel. I'm not sure how many courses I've already taken, but I am scheduled to begin practicum in summer one, and I have one more class left for the core courses. I'm scheduled to graduate in May of 2021. What I would like to do with this degree is, like everyone else, become a licensed marriage and family therapist. I am hoping after graduation to complete the courses and become a BCBA, and specialize a little bit more in the treatment with families that are grieving after learning that their child has been diagnosed with ASD. I would also like to be able to work with people that have experienced trauma, domestic, and dating violence. Um, what I hope to get out of this course is to learn a little bit more about other cultures. I know one point that was made in a different course, of course, by Professor Labatt, was culture plays a huge role, and not everything that would be looked at as a sign or a symptom of a diagnosis is true and accurate. And that really stuck with me because it was mentioned how some cultures, like Native Americans, Latinos, of course, are experience a little bit more of a spiritual side, which could, if someone is not properly educated in cultural diversity, could mistake that for schizophrenia. And working in ABA, I've encountered multiple cultures. I've worked with a lot of Armenian families. I've worked with African families. I've worked with people that come from an Asian background. So it's opened me up a lot to different cultures, religions, and home practices that maybe I wouldn't find typical to my family, or what I'm used to. So I would really like to learn a little bit more about the background of other people. Definitely one that I think I need to become more competent in is the LGBTQIA plus community. I'm still getting used to the additional words and letters that have been added. But I definitely want to get a little bit more experience and culture experience with them, because that is a very large community and it's continuously growing. And I feel like if I can't help people from different cultures because I only know my own, then I'm doing them and myself a disservice. Thank you.